Another item, General, is the intelligence funds. No, um, if there's one department that we want to support with intelligence fund, that's PNP. No, because you need that to gather intelligence, counterintelligence, and we want to make sure that you're equipped in terms of information. But nakita ko rin bumaba siya in 2025, 1.3 billion, but in 2026, 800 million. No? How will this affect your intelligence gathering and also counterintelligence activities?
Sir, if I may answer.
Yes.
The 500 million that is additional to that was an insertion which we turned over to the office of the president. We didn't use that 500 million. So that is the grand total. But as according to we only followed what is according to the GA and not the NEP and not the GA. What was put additional was we found no use for it and we returned it to the office of the president.
Okay, but in for 2026, the 806 million is enough for your operations? The request of PNP actually is 210 billion, but on the grant is 806.
Okay. That's correct, Your Honor.
Alam namin importante intelligence sa PNP, no? Your enforcers, mga enforcers natin.
That's correct, Your Honor. If we're going to have a per capita dito sa ating intelligence fund to be utilized, ay 150 pesos per month per person po ang ating per capita. And kung titignan natin, that 150 pesos per capita intelligence fund ay hindi kukulang. So that's why kung titignan natin ang ating funds, that is 84% is the PS and MOE is about 14% and the capital outlay is 2% or 3%. Yung ideal po dun sana ay yung PS corresponds to or at par with the MOE. So say 84% maski maging 20% man lang sana ang aming MOE, and that would be an ideal one, Mr. Chairman, sir.
At itong 806 million on intelligence fund, sapat na ito sa operations niyo for 2026?
Yan po pinagkakasya ng Philippine National Police, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman,
okay.
Sir.
All right. Because nasabi ni Secretary yung excess na 500 was actually unutilized, no?
So yes, sir, we returned it because it was an insertion in the budget. And the insertion came from the person who requested 3,000 containers of fish. So
why will they insert intelligence funds?
It beats me, sir. We didn't ask for it, so I returned it.
Okay, all right. Well, kami naman we want to make sure that the PNP has enough funds for intelligence and counterintelligence. Hindi ito magiging insertion na may kapalit, no? Ang kapalit nito is peace and order, no?
Exactly, sir. That was what we were afraid of because it was an insertion. There might have been a trade-off with it. So that's why we refused the insertion of the 500 million.
Agreed. All right.
Just to add, siguro yung, of course, yung intelligence natin, we would need that, of course, for counterinsurgency, counterterrorism, given na po yun. Dito po sa I think this is very important, lalo sa ating chair. Doon sa mga foreign nationals who are here, kasama rin po yan ba sa, natin, na monitor natin? Yung mga nasa Pogo noon, si Zulani Pogo, but other foreign nationals who are here na might be involved in crime. Yung espionage will be sa AFP yan, pero kasama rin ba yung undesirable foreign nationals?
That's correct, Mr. Chairman, sir, especially the members of the or belonging to the local terrorist group, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Thank you, General. If yung intelligence you think will not be sufficient. But if it's sufficient, then no, well and good, no. But just let us know. Again, ako kasi ang part of peace and order is knowing ahead, and that it can only happen if you have very good intelligence capabilities, no. So that's where I'm coming from. I also saw, General, in sa COA report, yung PNP HQ and the Quezon Municipal Police Station in PRO3 delayed yung construction. I think the amount for the HQ is 2.5 billion, and then the PRO3 is 10 million.
That's true, Mr. Chairman, sir, Your Honor. We have a multi-year infra project, particularly the construction of national headquarters of the Philippine National Police. Bago po yon sa Kamkrame. And we're still trying to i-obligate itong 2.5 billion for our national headquarters. At tinitignan namin kung saan po appropriate itayo itong 2.5 billion, lalo na wala naman lot or real property ang Philippine National Police appropriate for that 2.5 billion. And so we're looking for a design and build program para dyan for the construction. Specifically, we have different options like building it in a 1 hectare and or 5,700 square meters lot, or 2,400 or 2,500 square meter lot. But of course, depending on yung cost, kasi mayroong mga building na i-demolish or the demolishing cost.
Wala pang nagagastos dun sa 2.5.
Wala pa po, Your Honor.
And this is meant for a brand new headquarters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. The current headquarters is more than 50 years old, and it is no longer as we need a building that is more functional according to the times that we need now. It is planned in a 1 hectare facility, 1 hectare lot inside Camp Crame, and it is covered by the MYC, a multi-year contractual obligation from the Department of Budget and Management. But the final design is maybe we will finish it by the end of this year, and maybe by January it will be bidded out already.
It will be in the same
Yes, sir. In the same
Camp Crame. It's
yes, sir.
inside the camp.
Yes, sir.
Different location lang, I would.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So, and then yung TICAS kanina nabuksan ni Chairman JV, may 800 million nakita ko sa TICAS. And I would like to commend the PNP because at least majority of the TICAS projects are completed and ongoing. Konti lang na suspended or terminated. This is a challenge considering that the DPWH, the one building it, this is outside of the PNP organization. But do you have any intention of, because sa DND, ang kanilang request is to transfer the funds to them, no, so that they can construct the facilities themselves. Ito yung mga barracks, mga inventory facilities, mga iba-iba, no, sa kampo. Kasi maraming kampo ang DND all over the Philippines. So they would rather build it themselves para kompleto at alam nila kung ano yung mga kailangan nila, no. Do you have the same intention to transfer it to the PNP and let the PNP construct it, or okay na kayo with the arrangement with DPWH?
Mr. Chairman, sir, Your Honor, of course, the Philippine National Police, just like the AFP, gusto rin namin mapunta yung pondo sa amin, and we will do the usual bidding and or implementation of such project.
And meron naman kayong capability na magpa-bid out and even construction, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor, we have the fiscal capability to implement the infra projects, Your Honor, including we have the we have engineers in the Philippine National Police.
All right.